There's some things you can do in life that no matter what's going on around you, everything goes away and you can't help but smile. For me, canyoning is one of those things. To be alone in a place this special and have it all to yourself is quite an amazing journey. Today I'm back in the Pacific Northwest, and of course I came to the Gifford, heading into the Lewis River. However, not the Lewis River that everybody knows. The lower Lewis River Falls recreational area is quite beautiful and everybody knows about it. This is a section of the Lewis River much closer to Mount Adams, much colder water and much harder to get to, but also quite stunning. After you see what is in here, you let me know what you think at the end of the video. Is it is it worth all this effort? Right now I'm at 4,000 feet parked, which is basically the starting point, and we'll see when I get to the bottom how much I have to make up to get back to the car, or to my motorcycle. Here we go. I do remember now. The drop into this creek is a little steep, but pretty quick. The bridge is right above us. I came from right over there, and you were immediately met with this sign because the first drop is right here. What an entrance. Beautiful. What a cool, pretty area. The water's definitely as cool as I remember. And the rock is definitely as slippery as I remember. What a pretty little down climb. How about that for a little narrows? A thing of beauty. And after about a quarter mile of creek walking through some beautiful narrows and pools, down climbs, we should be coming up on the next rappel soon, and then it's pretty quick, rappel after rappel, rapid fire style. To give you an indication of how cool it is, check this out. That is my breath. These walls tend to keep the cool air in, even though it's going to be like 65 degrees today. In here, it's quite cool. This creek right now looks to be running really low, which is good for me because it makes it safer. But if you come with a group of people, running this in higher flow is a lot more exciting. But still, it's very pretty. Very pretty. How about this beautiful section? Just incredible. Creek bedrock. Nice color. Oh, look at these walls. Pretty sure there's a drop right over there. I believe that little creek right there is Baby Shoe Creek coming in. Gorgeous little area. In high water, this probably looks insane. There's Baby Shoe. And this looks to be our ride. Here we go. Oh, it says that this pool is usually deep, and I can confirm. Quite deep, quite cool. Oh! Yes, sirree, Bob. Wow. Talk about a beautiful little area. Moss-covered rock, a deep pool. More narrows. Look at this. Stunning place. That is a cool little narrow section. I forgot to hit record on that jump though. God dang it. Refreshing. That pool was even deeper than the other pool. And we're still headed down a narrow slot area. What a beautiful place. I can't say it enough. It's incredible. Beautiful, yeah. How about this for a little hidden gem? And slippery. Remember this. Here we go. think I know what's next. The fun stuff. Yeah. Yeah, so pretty. What a place.
This final sequence of 5 rappels is so beautiful and stunning. When I first saw it, I almost couldn't believe how amazing it was. It's so hidden, you would never know it's there, and only canyoning can get you this experience. This stone guard dog stands over the final waterfall and is an incredible feature for this final rappel.
So long, beautiful. How about this for some color? Beautiful red. Lovely rock. What a walk out after an incredible canyon. Let's check the elevation and see how bad it is. Hopefully it's not too bad. We'll see. Well, I think I found my way out. I checked the elevation. I'm at about 3470. My bike is at just over 4,000. So really not that bad, a little over 500 feet. And once I get to the road, maybe a mile back to the bike. So not too bad. We'll see. Hopefully I chose the right exit here. But what a canyon, so beautiful. What a way to come back to the Pacific Northwest, and my first solo adventure was this one. But unbelievable, just what a place.